The government tonight saying that this historic drought is now taking a bigger toll on American farms than we first thought.
It was so hot. In addition to being dry, it was very hot. And you could actually smell the corn cooking in the field.
USDA out with its quarterly grain report earlier this morning. So just how bad was the drought of 2012?
It was the worst crop that I've ever had, worst crop my dad has ever had. And if my grandpa was still alive, it probably would have been his worst even, and that was a long time ago. Oh, it would have been devastating without insurance. I mean, I don't know if it would have put me out of business, but it would have been definitely 10 steps backwards. It would have been really bad. If I use crop insurance on my own farm to make sure that I'm still in business the next year. So to me, it's an expense that you just can't afford to not to have. You know, it gives you a safety net to know that, you know, no matter what happens, we're going to be here again next year. Why not have a safety net where the people that occasionally benefit from it are paying into it? You know, it's not just a handout. And I think it's much better than an ad hoc disaster type program. By the time you would actually get that benefit, it's almost too late anyway. So yeah, I think crop insurance obviously, and obviously the majority of farmers agree based upon the participation rates. We as Americans have one of the most abundant and most affordable food supplies, and it's very constant. You know, you can always count on it. You can always go to the store and there's stuff there. Some countries are not that way. It's just taken for granted, the food supply is. But if you don't keep it constant and be able to count on it, then you won't be able to take it for granted because it won't be there.